Are you sick of having to read legal documents, lease agreements, 100-page terms of service, or even lengthy school reading assignments? With this AI tool, you'll never have to again. I found the most incredible tool based on ChatGPT, and today, we're going to walk through it together. Hey everyone, this is Matthew Berman. Let's get into it. So the tool I found is called Ghost Extension, and it's at ghostextension.com. And here it is. It's pretty basic right now, but it's still absolutely incredible. What it does is you can load up any PDF document and use ChatGPT to ask questions about that document. Not only that, you can get a summary of the document. It doesn't matter how complex it is. Lengthy legal documents, school papers, doesn't matter. There are 3 examples provided by the creator of Ghost Extension. So let's go through those. First is a lease agreement, something that I've read through many times. And this one is 30 pages long of legal mumbo jumbo. And to be fair, it's extremely important to read these lease agreements and understand what's in them. But going through it is so tedious. This tool helps. So first, it provides a page-by-page summary, which you see on the left side. And this gives a much simpler version of the language that's in the document. And next, the best part, you could ask it questions the same way you would ChatGPT. And this tool actually provides some example suggestions. So let's just click it. What is the move out policy? Let's see what it says. The resident must thoroughly clean the premises and comply with the agent's written move out and cleaning policies. And so there is a good brief summary of the move out policy. Now, down here, you can actually click through and see the sources of the information provided in the summary, which is really cool. So obviously the move in, move out condition. Here's another few paragraphs about move in, move out, and we click through, and any place it took information to provide that response, it will actually cite and link you to it and highlight it, which is amazing. And you can even ask it situational questions. So I won't be able to pay until the 9th of this month. Will I get a fee? Let's ask. Yes, if you do not pay the total monthly rent by 11:59 p.m. on the 8th day of the month, you will be charged a late fee of $50 or 5% of unpaid rent amount due, whichever is greater. Easy. I didn't have to scan through this whole document to find that section. And let's ask it who pays for the gas utility. There it is. The resident is responsible for paying the gas utility either directly to the gas service provider or through a flat fee allocated by the agent or owner based on the formula. Gas service to the common areas of the property will also be paid by the resident. Very, very cool. Let's look at another example. Now, here is a very sophisticated, complex research paper called Attention is All You Need. This was actually a monumental paper that started this new generation of AI. ChatGPT is based on the research found in this paper. Now, it takes this complex research paper and provides a summary, just as we've seen. And you can also ask it questions, like always. What is this paper about? Now, I'm gonna ask it to explain it to me like I'm in 5th grade. Explain this paper to me like I'm a 5th grader. There it is. The entire paper summarized in a few sentences. Obviously, it's missing a lot of the detail and nuance and understanding, but if you're trying to explain it to a 5th grader, this is great. This paper is about teaching computers how to understand and translate languages. They use a new technique called attention, which helps the computer pay attention to certain words or parts of a sentence. And it goes on. And just like before, we can click on any of these numbers and it'll actually link to the source of the information found in the response. Last, here's Meta's 10K, which is a financial document by Meta, the company that owns Facebook. So again, gives a summary and we can ask it any questions. How much revenue did Meta make last year? And there it is. Meta's total revenue for 2022 was $116.61 billion, a decrease of 1% compared to 2021. And it lists exactly where it found that information. Here's another example. What are the competitive threats to Facebook's business? And there it is, a summary of the competitive threats to Facebook's business with attribution to the actual 10K. Absolutely amazing. You can load up any PDF that you want. Let's say you have a school paper that you need to read, or a lease agreement like the example we've seen, or any legal document. Save yourself money before talking to a lawyer. Get a good understanding of the paper and then talk to a lawyer. Understand complex research papers with ease. Ask it questions, get real responses. This tool is incredible. One thing I really like is that files are deleted after 24 hours. So if you need to upload something sensitive, you know it'll be deleted after a short time. One big drawback, although I hope it'll be fixed, is that files are limited to 5 pages. Now, obviously you can split PDFs up into multiple segments of 5 pages, but that's kind of annoying. I suspect it will be fixed because all of the examples given are much longer than 5 pages, so it's definitely possible. I think they're probably just trying to save on storage space. I'll link the URL in the description below. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.